Welcome back, everybody, to another new weather video. We got some big weather news talk today, so let's get right into it. So we are dealing with some cold air across this area today. We're dealing with some winds across here, and we're dealing with some um, fire weather across New Mexico, Texas, and Oklahoma, with some more windy conditions across there. We already have a severe thunderstorm watch already for this part of Wisconsin. And then right up in this general, right up in here, my mouse, and right in here, we're dealing with some major flooding concerns because of how much rain and water has been dropped on a lot of these places. So let's get into the weather. Uh, so so today they did expand this enhanced risk, and it now includes most all of northern and central parts of southern Illinois now. So yeah, the severe thunderstorm watch pretty much in this general area. So yeah, uh, tornado risk has not shifted or nothing. Still the same. We still have that significant one or significant two. The significant one, you can see EF2 plus tornadoes, and significant two right here, you can see EF3 plus tornadoes. It's not guaranteed, but there is a chance for that. So, and then we have that 10% chance of tornadoes in that general area today. The wind risk is going to be another big factor today. We have a 45% chance of seeing damaging winds, and as you can see, we have that significant area right here, which is, you can see 75 plus mile per hour winds raping through here. So if you're in that black dotted shaded area, you will see 75 plus. It's not guaranteed. There's a chance for it. So, and if you're in that 45%, that means there's a even better chance of seeing it. Not 100, but 45%. So, and then we have that uh sig 2, which is the highest it goes, right up and through those areas where you can see 3 plus inch hail. And then right in the Sig 1 area, um you can see 2 inch plus hail. And then we do have that 30% chance in these areas today. So that is your weather for that. So we do have our weather map here today. Actually, let me stop it. So right now we do have that severe weather up there right now, but we do have our cold front right there, and then I'm assuming our warm front is like that, with the low pressure system sitting about right there. So um that's where I'm assuming the that's where I'm assuming it is, or it may just go like that, and then our war front like that, with our low pressure system being way up here. So that's where we're at. So, because we do have that Gulf moisture pluming in from there, and then we do have winds going at elevated going like that. So we do have that spin. So that's why I say right here could be the greatest risk for tornadoes. It's going to be clashing with cold front here, warm front here, low pressure system up here. So that's where I'm guessing. So yeah. So we're going to do the 15Z model. We do have those storms up towards Minneapolis right now. So I would assume within the next probably 2 to 3 hours, we're going to be seeing supercells fire off very quickly, as we do get that cold front that's right in there. So we do have that clashing cold front right there. Eventually, these will all congeal into a line. I think we'll have the main cold front here, and then we'll have a secondary line right in here, which is interesting. And eventually, that second line will congeal into that big main line, which the cold front would be like that. Then with very intense storms in central Illinois. So it eventually goes. So yeah. All right. So let's look at this. Um. So we got some major support for big thunderstorms right up in here. We got support for big time thunderstorms in here today. So, and then as that cold front continues, eventually the cape does fade away. So, and this right here is your supercell composite, which we do have supercell development that will likely be right up in this general area today. And we do have that area that does support strong to violent tornadoes up in this general area today. Do I think it will happen? We'll see. This right here just pretty much shows you which storms have a capability of basically rotating. And we do see that a lot of these storms will have the capability of rotating. Doesn't mean that every storm is going to put down a tornado, but it definitely tells you how much spin there is up in the atmosphere, which, as we do see right in here, you do have a lot of heavy spin up there. So there's that. So yeah, there's that. So yeah. All right, we're gonna go out now and look at. We're gonna look at at least the European model. We're gonna look at this now. So we're gonna get those storms pulling out of here, out of our way. Our next chance for severe weather would be next Friday. So next weekend we we will likely be seeing more severe weather through the beginning of next week. So so it looks like starting next Friday through the rest of next week, we could be seeing better chances for more severe weather. So yeah, it's gonna be a very very interesting weather pattern that's going to be coming up. So please stay weather aware today because we're going to have some big problems today. Um, so I might stream today. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. So yeah, but I can show you on the WeatherWise app. That that are that we do have this warm front draped right there. It's probably more up towards this direction now, or it could still be right in here. And then we do have that severe thunderstorm watch. Tornadoes, 10% winds, 30% hail, 50% combined, 70% altogether. So this will last for 5 hours today. So we'll likely be getting a whole slew of watches and warnings when these storms get going. So if you haven't yet, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all for a possible stream. But there will definitely be a new video tonight. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Peace.